Chris, why is network management important in the telco industry these days?
The management of the networks is fundamental to the way that the service gets delivered to the customer. And the problem is, in the past, it was a nicely self-contained set of networks, of different networks for different services. But increasingly now, we're looking at a single network, so single network management. But we also need to manage outside of the network and across to the activities, whether it's in a business or a consumer environment, delivering the quality that supports a video being delivered or delivering a financial package in a business environment. So the challenge is you've got many more moving parts than you used to have. You used to be just to say within the network. You're also now beginning to extend out all the mobile devices. And think of the next wave that comes after mobile, which is all the Internet of Things, where you will have billions of devices, of sensors out there within the network that you need to be able to manage, you need to be able to gather the information from to benefit from the analytics of all the information flowing across the network. So it becomes critical to the way that an operator runs its business and the way an enterprise leverages the network.
So do you think this is creating an opportunity for new players to come in? I mean, obviously we have the traditional people like Ericsson and Huawei with their network management office, but is this trend that you're talking about giving an opportunity for new people to come into the market with something a bit different?
It is, because by definition we're looking at managing new moving components in there. So a lot of the over-the-top providers, people looking at data analytics, the more traditional IT management companies as well. This is an issue that we face as networks and IT get closer and closer together, that it's not about the network, it's not about the IT, it's about managing the whole of that ICT infrastructure and making sure that we get the right value out of it. And obviously from a business investing in it point of view, they want to make sure it supports all of their activities. The quality of service is important, but most importantly is that it's supporting your business. In some ways, the most important thing is that it actually becomes almost invisible to the business, that it's about the operations and the processes that you're running within a company, and therefore the management actually makes it all work behind the scenes.
So I guess what we're saying is that network management is both a kind of critical differentiator for some telcos, for some types of customers, and it's also a crucial way to reduce cost and streamline processes at the same time.
It's all of those, and perhaps even more importantly, it's a way of ensuring that the customer experience is actually guaranteed in terms of the infrastructure and the services behind it.